Kapag madilim yung tint pero hindi mo alam kung may legit na UV protection, that is not fashion. That's retinal damage disguised as style. Marami pa ring naniniwala mas dark, mas safe. Pero in reality, mas dark sometimes means mas dangerous. At ito yung tatlong bagay na hindi alam ng karamihan. Number 1, fake UV tags exist. May mga shades na may printed na UV sticker pero zero ang actual filtration. Ibig sabihin, hindi niya pinipigilan yung mga masasamang UV rays. Number 2, dark tint does not equal protection. Kung madilim lang pero walang UV block protection, your pupils can actually open wider, kaya mas maraming UV ang pumapasok. Number 3, cheap lens distort light. Low quality plastic bends light incorrectly. Kaya mas masakit ang mata mo with sunglasses kesa sa wala. Sa Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab, we don't judge based on kulay or trend. We test actual UV rating, not sticker claims. So kung ayaw mong bumili ng sunglasses na pang IG lang, pero harmful sa real life, DM Sunsafe. Your retina deserves true protection, not tinted lies.